Hello everyone. In this video, I have shared 10 good thoughts. Let's start. Honesty is the best policy. Always tell the truth. Hard work is the key to success in everything you do. Be kind to others, and kindness will come back to you. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Time is very precious, so do not waste it on useless things. A beautiful life starts with a beautiful and positive mind. Always respect your elders and love those who are younger than you. Help someone in need, and you will find true happiness. Health is your greatest wealth, so eat well and stay fit. Mistakes are a sign that you are trying. Never be afraid to fail.